Well, I just plowed up our garden area for the very first time. This was just raw land here, and I plowed it with a little plow in the back of my tractor, and then went one way and then went across the grain back the other way to really plow it in good to turn that dirt over. Because what we got is about 6 inches or so of sandy soil on top of red clay. And I mean, that clay is like, it's sticky like chewing gum. You can make pottery out of it, that's for sure. It is some really rich clay. And I don't know how great that is for gardening, but we're gonna mix it in with the sandy topsoil, and then we're gonna also, put some compost and things in there to give it more nutrients, and we're gonna start working this soil. And I know it'll take, I'd say at least 3 years before it gets to be really good, but we'll keep working it and making it better and better through the years. But our garden here is about 45 by 55 feet. So it's a pretty good area here. And now we're gonna have to start, tilling in some other stuff to, supplement the soil and to get it really rich. And then we'll make some rows, start planting some seed and watering it. Yeah, we're really looking forward to it. Here's some, I'll show you kind of how the soil looks. And you're seeing here, this is mostly like the sandy stuff, but you can see some of that clay. I'll try to find another some over here somewhere, some big old chunks of that. Here we go. That clay. There's some of that clay. I mean, that stuff will just stick together. There's some even better than that, but yeah, it's just, I don't know what'll grow in that. I know I've grown grasses in it, grass for a lawn in that real thick clay like that, and it worked pretty good. But we're going to be growing vegetables, so I know that'll be different. So you got that. And then you got this. That's just sand. We're going to try to mix that all in. I might have to get another implement for our tractor. That's that clay. I'll show you what we're using right now. I'm using this. You can see it here. And boy, that thing rips it up good. That thing works great. I can hook stuff around here, this part of it, and pull logs around and too. That'll be a real good deal for doing that. And I'm gonna try to figure out a way to make a deeper trench with it. Also, like maybe go down with it like that, and then extend something on the end to go even deeper, so I can run piping underground too. Like the water lines and electrical lines and stuff like that, so I don't have to go rent a trencher. That's a good little tractor right there, though. It's a Yanmar, Japanese Yanmar YMG 2000D. That 4-wheel drive, good little tractor. Man, that thing will really pull. It's got the diesel engine in it. Yeah, and we're gonna start putting a fence around it. Here in a couple of days, we're gonna be fencing all this. That'll be a chore too. Got to build it, the fencing extend it out far enough away so that we can turn the tractor around, get that tractor in there and have like a turnaround area so we can move around without moving, you know, the tire marks all through the garden. You know, you want to be able to do a complete row, turn the tractor around, then run it back the other direction. And we got these darn trees, these juniper bushes or trees that are kind of in the way, but we'll figure it out. That's it. That's our garden. We're ready to get going on it.